Hi students, I wanted to show you a cool built-in function that MATLAB had. MATLAB can actually find the roots of a polynomial function for you. It's pretty easy. So if you have a polynomial, say y of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 2, something like this. If we make sure that this is in standard form, then we can take the coefficients of this thing and store it into a variable. So the leading coefficient here is 1, followed by 1, followed by negative 2. So if I put all these coefficients here, I'm going to store it into p. Then if I use the roots function, MATLAB will find the roots of this polynomial. So you could see if we were to factor this guy, we would expect the roots to be 1 and negative 2, right? So let's try it and see what happens. So I'm going to run this in the command window, and then I'm going to type in roots of p, not root, but roots of p, there we go, and it returns a vector with negative 2 and 1. So the other thing is this can actually handle complex roots too. So suppose now we had a polynomial, say our polynomial is something like x to the 4th plus 2 x to the 3rd plus 3x squared minus 5. Okay, so you'll notice here that there's a fourth order term, a third, a second, but no first order term. So make sure when you are creating your polynomial vector that you put a 0 there if you don't have a term. So the coefficient of the x to the 4th term is 1, coefficient of the x to the 3rd term is 2, coefficient of x squared term is 3. There's no x to the 1st term, so we'll put a 0 there, followed by negative 5. So those are all my coefficients for this new polynomial. And then now when I go to find the roots of this, roots of p, as you can see, this returns some complex roots. So this root finding function is very useful in MATLAB, and we can do a lab on this so you guys can practice. So let me know if you guys have any questions.